Hello, dear friends. Today I will talk about how the master reverb affects the drum. More precisely, I will show you how to adjust the reverb individually for each drum element. It would be good if you also watched my previous video about effects. The link is in the upper right corner. The master reverb is directed to all parts of the keyboard, and in the mixer we adjust how it will work. This control applies to the entire style, and in the next step we adjust each channel individually. We can adjust the effect even more precisely and customize it for each drum element. In Yamaha Expansion Manager we set default values for each drum kit. However, we can change these settings on the keyboard itself in the drum edit. Such drum changes will apply only to the style we are editing. See how it is done. We need to save the changes and they remain stored in the style structure. I remove the reverb on the kick and the snare drums. Listen. I am adding a compressor as an insert effect to the drum channel. And here is the problem. Listen. You could hear the reverb automatically disappearing when I turn off the compressor. This shouldn't happen because the master and insert effects are separate. Listen again. Yamaha probably doesn't know about this problem, but I'm sure they are monitoring user feedback closely. I hope they'll see this video and the fixed bug in the next updates. Thank you for visiting, and I hope you enjoy today's topic. Receive lots of greetings from me and see you soon.